Hi everyone, welcome to eVidyabug channel. Today onwards, we will learn about English grammar lessons. This is class 1. In this class, let's start about sentences. Okay, sentence. We already know that when we speak or write, we use some words. Okay, a group of words which contain particular thought and meaning is nothing but sentence. Mean, for example, if you take any group of sentences, sat on a chair she, is there any meaning? No meaning for this sentence. If you write this sentence in meaningful way, then you will get that she sat on a chair. This is nothing but sentence. Okay, sat on a chair she is nothing but combination of words, a group of words, but it does not contain any meaning. And we can't think about this sat on a chair she, what is this? Okay, there is no particular thought also. So we can say that a sentence is nothing but which contain particular thought and meaning, that is nothing but sentence. See here, she sat on a chair. This is a meaningful sentences for this group of words. So we can say this is the sentence. Okay, in any language we combine group of words, and that is with meaningful way, and we think about that is nothing but sentence. Okay, now let's move to types of sentences. How many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types of sentences. Those are, first one is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. These are the 4 types of sentences. This is also called these declarative sentences are also called the assertive sentences. Okay, what mean by this one? The declarative sentences are nothing but which makes a statement, and it is ended with full stop. Okay, now see here, it makes a statement or expresses an opinion. It is nothing but declarative sentence. For example, if you take example for declarative sentence or assertive sentences, declarative or assertive sentences, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. It is ended with full stop. So we can say this is a declarative sentence. Okay, and it is very tasty. Very tasty. It is also declarative sentence. Next sentence is interrogative sentences, nothing but questioning. Questioning mean interrogate in interrogation takes place, means for example questioning, a sentence that asks a question. Is called an interrogative sentences. For example, what is your name? What is your name? Who are you? These are interrogative sentences. Questioning takes place here. Where, who, WH questions. We already know that WH questions, those are where, who, what, when, how, why. Why are you going there? Why do you go there? Like that. Here, these are the WH questions. Then, in the interrogative sentences, questioning takes place, interrogation takes place. Okay, next sentence is imperative sentence. What mean by imperative sentence? Third type of sentence, imperative. Gives command. It gives, this type of sentences gives command or asks for a request. For example, and it is ended with exclamatory mark. For example, if you see get out. Get out. What is this command? So, and for the request, if you see one example, please give me that pen. Okay, so here it is asking with requesting manner. So please give me is nothing but imperative sentence. Get out is nothing but command. And shut your mouth. Shut your mouth is nothing but is also a command. So we can say that it gives imperative sentences, gives command or ask for request, and it is end with exclamatory mark. Next one is exclamatory sentences. Okay. What mean by exclamatory sentences? It expresses strong feelings, and or emotions. Like, what mean by strong feelings and emotions means, for example, if you take like sad, angry, happy, etc. These are the exclamatory sign. For example, sad, angry, happy. These all are comes under exclamatory sentences. And for example, if you take examples, wow, how beautiful it is. Wow, how beautiful it is or she is. Wow. Here we are expressing our feeling, like wow, how our emotion. Okay, this is come under emotion. So how, wow, how beautiful she is. And okay, these are nothing but the exclamatory sentences. Now let's see what we have seen till now. Okay, first, what mean by sentence? Sentence is nothing but group of words which contain perfect meaning and thought is nothing but the sentences. Otherwise, there are many group of sentences, but if there is no meaning, then we can't say that is sentence. Sentence is nothing but which contains particular meaning and thought. And how many types of sentences are there? Again, 4 types of sentences are there. What are they? First one is assertive or declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Second one is interrogative. Third sentence is imperative. Next one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, these are the 4 types of sentences. And one more last point, but not least, the important point is sentence contains, every sentence contains subject plus predicate. Okay, what mean by subject and what mean by predicate, how these are used in sentences, let's see in next class. Thank you very much. Keep in touch with eVidya Bug channel.